Welcome everybody to Making Money with Legovesting. Here we're going to go over things to buy and invest in and then flip it for twice as much cash. So let's get started. First thing you gotta do is to look for sets that you can potentially flip for twice the profit you have right now at. So this particular set right here looks interesting, and the problem issue here is it's too expensive. 350 is a lot of cash. The second issue, which is not going to work for, is look at the minifigures. The size of those are very nice minifigures, by the way, but there is one catch here. This whole set looks humongous. At the same time, if you keep on looking, look at the details, you will see those miniature minifigures and miniature spaceship and other crafts and everything else here, buses and everything else, which makes you understand that this is a very miniature actually set that comes with those minifigures. So it's actually way smaller than it should be. It's probably a little overpriced at 350. It might be a lot of pieces, but at the same time it's just not going to be worth the money. You're not going to break even on this. You might lose a lot of cash buying this, so you should know what not to buy as well. We have the Kingdom Jester here, another set that seems amazing. 72 bucks, and it got sold out. This particular set is definitely worth it. Here we have a good price balance on what you can buy, invest in, and flip. This is potentially a $250 set you're looking at in a few years from now, when they stop making it, which is they just did. As you can see, this just got sold out, and probably next year this thing is going to go maybe for 150 because it's sold out. They don't have it anymore. If you can get your hands on this under 100, that's a buy and keep. Next thing you want to get might be this set. This set is it's a little tricky. This is 250, a little too expensive for what it is. The price is good, but it gives you a lot of buck for your money, a lot of details, a lot of nice minifigures, but you might not be able to return the money back this quick, and it's going to take you a long time to do this. So I don't suggest you do this unless you have a long-term investment strategy. Might be like 2 to 3 years, maybe longer, for you to double your cash on this. It's a little tricky for an investment. It's more like if you collect this, just buy it. We have this set right here. This is a little bit different. It's all black, so it's not as good. I mean, you're getting 200 bucks and it doesn't look that fancy. There's one particular item here that's very hard to find, the eagle. Anything else, there's weapons here, there's a few minifigures. It's not good. I would not buy this. I would stay away from that. There we go. This is amazing. Look at the details on this. This is a pirate ship. Pirate ship is very nicely made. This is an exclusive item. It looks really amazing. This thing I'm not fond of. This particular kind of stuff right here totally ruins this set in some ways, but at the same time you're not buying it for that. You're buying it for the ship, and the ship is really exclusive looking and amazing. I think this set is a buy. It's a buy if you can get it under 200. If you can't, I would stay away from it, because it might go up in price, yes, but for what you're getting here for, there's a lot of details, but it's just too expensive to make a call on this. So I would say wait. If it goes under 200, it's a buy for a long-term buy and flip. Potentially run up to 400 in the future. Could be possible for this particular set. Now we got the palace here. This is definitely a buy item if you can get this for less than 150. If it ever goes under it, the details are amazing. This is an exclusive item. As you can see, look for tags exclusive, how to find, and how to find items. Those are the tags you have to look for as well. The details are just amazing. As you can see, like every floor has details. That's what you want. You want it to be able to open, and every floor has its own details also. And this is like just any geek would love to get his hands on that. This is amazing. So this is definitely worth the money. You went through that set already, and I think this set is definitely a buy. So here we got something we can flip here. Unfortunately, this got sold out. This is definitely a buy during graduation time. You buy those for around $7, $8, and then flip them for 15, 16 around graduation, April time. You buy a bunch of those and try it. That's definitely what you should be doing. We got the train set, and as you can see, the sale price for that 143. This is awesome price for what you're getting here. You can get very nice details and everything. It's not that fancy as I thought initially, so it's kind of, you can maybe break even on this. I would say no, stay away from that. It doesn't have a train in it. I mean, it does have, but the train itself is not that fancy looking, so no, that's a no. That's a no for that one. This train, this is the kind of train you kind of more want. Looks a little bit better. It looks classic, but the price is a little bit too steep for it. So this is too steep for this particular train set. What you have to do is to go on sales and deals, then go high to low, and look every single day and try to see if something comes up and catches your eye, like price discrepancies that are very, very big over here, like between the price you buy and the price it goes. So that's what you have to do if you want to buy something and then flip it later on. Like here we go, here's a huge price discrepancy we have over an item, which is a lot. You can just buy this and flip it. Really nice set. And here we go, another one. I will definitely buy a bunch of those. I could buy like 20 and sell those. So that ends the preview of Legovesting, and see you in class.